Welcome to the Belt and Road Face-to-Face.
It declined from 25 billion US dollar in a year to 22 billion US dollar.
Growing very strong, but not growing strong enough.
I can see a lot of increase in rice.
These two items growth cannot quickly change the current Pakistan economic state.
You are watching the Belt and Road Face-to-Face. We're moving to the second part figure. The Pakistan Business Journal reported that, according to the Rice Exporters Association of Pakistan, Pakistan exported about 1.45 million tons of rice in the first 5 months of 2017 to 18 fiscal year, up 16% from a year earlier, fetching 697 million US dollars with a year-on-year 32% increase. In November 2017, Pakistan textile exports reached 1.12 billion US dollars, up 7.5% from a year ago. Mr. Hanif, how to interpret the growth of Pakistani rice and textile exports?
It's still very poor, I would say. Total exports of Pakistan, more than 50%, that would come from textile, exporting more than 12 billion US dollar per year textile products to other countries. Now, last 2 years, 3 years, total exports have also declined. It declined from 25 billion US dollar in a year to 22 billion US dollar currently. The same trend has also been seen in the textile exports from Pakistan. The annual exports of rice from Pakistan, that has been 2 billion US dollar. But last 2 years, it has been less than that figure, which means these two items have also followed the same. Total exports decline. For the decline, which has happened already, this growth figure is still, I mean, it's not making up for that. It's not good to make up for that decline which has already taken place. So overall position it has been quite disappointing. But if we look at the current exactly this trend of growth, we can get some encouragement from this, that things are now reversing, and if this trend continues, this is a big question mark whether it should continue or no. China being one of the largest markets for the food items, and especially for the rice also, Pakistani exporters can explore Chinese market, and there is a huge margin, huge potential to increase this Pakistani rice exports to China. So I can see a lot of increase in rice. But for the textile exports, I think the industry, Pakistani textile industry and Pakistani government would need to shift the focus more towards the synthetic textile, using synthetic yarn to produce synthetic based textiles, so that they can recapture the lost exports.
The trend of Pakistan's textile as well as rice export now growing rapidly and growing very strong, but not growing strong enough. That is to say, these two item growth cannot quickly change the current Pakistan economic state. After CPEC, since the CPEC is still going on, the load shedding problem has largely addressed, especially some electricity shortage that relaxed a lot, you see. So the efficiency of Pakistan textile industry has improved greatly, but I still think your original textile industry still has some comparative advantage if there's no electricity problem. So we should just shift some part of that, but also we should maintain our traditional one, because in the future many people, their favorite change, they would like to use our traditional Pakistan textile products. That is possible and also likely.
Although the trend has been changing towards more synthetic based textiles, but the original cotton based textile, cotton based, like the clothes made in the original cotton, that has the benefits, that has benefits to the human body as well. Similar kind of shirt, same color, same style, same stitching, one based on the cotton-based cloth and the other based on synthetic. These are entirely different products, and it should be presented as different products, one having such and such benefits.
Look and feel
Yes,
different.
feel, look, all different. So these are entirely different products, and these can be marketed as different products. It all depends on the publicity. In the immediate future, I think it might not, I personally, I see not much growth in that. But yes, once these adjustments are made, and the sooner it is made, the better, and then we can see textile exports should be on the rise from Pakistan. Yeah.
Thank you. Now let's get to the Wash studio to see what they are concerned about.
और डे में कमी सबबा बलोचिस्तान एक इशारकारी निजोरें इशिये तहा नोकतरी राहबंद कारबंदगा नब्बी ए बाबत शुमे नजदीक अच्छी प्लानस्त.
What's your analysis?
In the industrial zone in Gwadar, and yes, through the Gwadar port, the access to the Middle Eastern countries is there, or maybe through the economic corridor, these products can also be shipped to China as well. So given that those availability of these incentives, I think the growers would find ways to naturally they will tend to find ways to increase and improve their agriculture. The government would also I think they should also think of extending canal system, those areas where access can be found more easily, and given the mountainous area, the mountainous terrain, the growers as well as the government would be inclined and motivated to extend these canal system as well, to provide more and more water to the area of Balochistan, and bring into very useful good use of this huge area of Balochistan. So the area of Balochistan, the people of Balochistan will also benefit from that, and the whole country will definitely benefit from that.
Stress the importance of the processed food, which we can have more storage and logistic system based in Gwadar and some other area along the coast. So in the future, let people, especially farmer and fishermen, really see the tangible material interest, rather than to say, the slogan, okay, why you just work very hard and the production grown, you may just benefit from that.